Hintayin muna lahat bago i-start. Laging...
Magandang gabi, Hoopers, and welcome back to the CIUS Basketball League Oldies but Goodies 40th Division. Ako nga pala si Kevin Obili at Arrow Sports PH, your man on the mic. At eto na ang laban ng OKC Thunders versus San Lorenzo. OKC Thunders coming off a loss at eto naman San Lorenzo, their first game sa ating liga. At titingnan natin kung sino ang makakuha ng panalo ngayong araw na ito as San Lorenzo starts off with a 3-0 start dito sa first quarter natin. Here comes the Guzman, passes it down low, shoots it from deep, that is short. The Guzman tracks the board. OGM basketball trying to find the gaps in the defense. Aris Mortoya gets the bucket off the glass for their first basket here dito sa ating laro. 3-2, 8 minutes and 42 to go. Down low. What? Nahuli ni ref na andun daw sa ilalim ang or nakatapak daw, ran out of real estate. Here comes the Guzman. At here comes OKC Thunder here. Swinging the ball around. Passes it to DG. The up fake. The drop down low. Mortalia with the fake. Unable though to get that basket.
Sabi pinasa yun? Pinasa yun? Pinasa yun?
And Mortalia will troop to the free throw stripe for 2 free throws. Mortalia knocks down the second. Is 2 for 2 right there. They now took the lead 4-3, 8 minutes and 10 seconds. It's a steal here by OKC Thunder. Dulce will bring it down. Passes it down low. Perfect pass to Harold Mariano. And San Lorenzo gets us across. They have passing it down low. Casañas missing that once more, but he gets back the rebound. He gets his own miss, but yun lang, hindi na nakayuko to get that rebound once more. Here comes Dulce. Will get it across for OKC Thunder. Passes it to Mortalia on the wing. The up fake drive. Passes to DG. 4-3. Overshoots it. Mortalia with a rebound. But the top pass to Mariano as they get another basket right here. 8-3 with 7 minutes and 8 seconds to go. San Lorenzo being a little bit more patient. Casañas driving the lane, sidestepping his way through. He gets the foul. And the foul is on Mortalia. That is his first personal foul. And Casañas will troop to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. He gets the first to go. He splits the charities, and Mortalia gets a rebound.
Parang tunay
Sabinay knocks down the jumper off the secondary. And here comes San Lorenzo. Passes the rock to the wing for 3. Gets the bounce. The 3-pointer by... or the 2-pointer only. Apparently, it's just a long 2 by Ganiron. 12-7, 6 minutes and 8 seconds. Palamor misses it, but the offensive rebound and the putback for Giwe. sorry if I butchered the name right here. It's Guille with the putback. It's Jerry Villanueva gets his first foul. At ito si Sabinay. Dumidiin ba ilalim and he gets a foul in the process. 2 free throws sa charity stripe.
Ang kakapin nito. Sa kalokohan, muntik pa may injury.
Nakuha naman.
Alagay ko.
Sabinay splits his charities. 39, 5 minutes and 50 seconds to go. Villanueva will bring it down para sa San Lorenzo. Passing it to Casañas. Spin move. The lefty missing that one. Mortalia with a rebound. Passes it to DG. DG all alone. One, De Guzman finishes the layup. And they bring out a press here. Almost a steal from DG, but possession stays dito with San Lorenzo. Talomar will inbound the ball. Passes it to Villanueva, to Guille. Guille the hang time, gets back up top. He gets his own miss, and a steal. Dito Mariano on the run to DG. DG, the righty finish. Prompting a mandatory substitution right here. 17-9 to start. OKC Thunder out running San Lorenzo dito sa Zeus Basketball League 40 up division. Oldies but goodies, ika nga. At parang hindi sila oldies dahil takbuhan ng takbuhan dito. San Lorenzo will get back on the offensive. Down low. Butterfingers. Borja will bring it down. Swing. Odasco. Missing. Here comes Sapan on the run. Driving the lane, the lefty overcooks it. Casañas with the rebound. The drop here, back to Sapan. Stepping back, down low. The reverse is good from Tubog. 17-11, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Driving the lane, dropping it to Toringan, missing that, but the putback is good. Sapan, magtitimon para sa San Lorenzo. He passes it to his teammate, shooting a three-pointer, missing that. Borja gets the rebound. Borja ginugulo dito, naghahanap ng teammate. And an 8-second violation. The press is good. At nagbunga ang pressure na ipinakita netong San Lorenzo dito sa or against the OKC Thunder. 19-11 with 14 seconds on the shot clock to manufacture a shot dito sa San Lorenzo. Down to Casañas. Swings it to the wing. The drop. Toringan with a steal. Forward passes it to De Guzman. The lefty finish is good. Tubog passes it. Guille. Casañas picks up the rebound, doing the dirty work. Ang daming take pero he misses it. Odasco clears the rebound. Here comes Boa on the break. Pulls it back. But the one-legged jumper. There's a foul. It's a loose ball foul on number 22. That is De Guzman. And Tubog will bring it down for San Lorenzo. Crossing. Tubog passes it.
Hindi ko nga makapagpapag last week kasi wala nga hiring sa amin.
That is for retiros as they have 13 more seconds to manufacture a basket. Tubog will inbound to Sapan for a three-pointer. Misses that. Casañas gets the bucket at nakakuha din ng foul in the process. He gets a chance for a 3-point play dito. Casanyas strips to the line for the bonus free throw.
Hindi. 21-11. 13.
21.
13? 13.
There's a foul. It's a pushing foul. Tawag ng referee.
21 lang doon sa kabila yata. Tama? 21, tama. 21 lang sa kabila. Okay na po, sir.
The foul is on number 16, Sapan. And it's a baseline inbound. Turingan will do the honors. De Guzman nagtatangka. Driving closer. Turingan tracks the rebound. The hook shot. It's a miss. Casanyas with the rebound. Siya na rin magbababa. Casanyas, di na kayo ko na agawan. Pinasa kay Turingan. To De Guzman. Back. Mid-range jump shot is good for Reynold Besagar. First 2 points of the ball game. Casanyas, babawi doon. Cherry picking. Medyo napagod si Casanyas. Pero naka-score pa rin doon. De Guzman, cross-court pass to Bora from deep. Misses that one. Casanyas with a forward pass. Tubog on the run. And Tubog finishes the fast break. Christopher Tubog. The spark plug San Lorenzo needed here is ating first quarter. Odasco open. Casanyas standing his ground. Turingan gets the possession. Casanyas wants a forward pass, but there's a foul on Odasco. And eto, San Lorenzo back on the offensive to trim the lead. And to get a little bit closer, they're only down by 6. Down low to Casanyas, the reverse layup. Borja caught napping right there at 23-19 with 35 ticks to go. Eto na si Bora, gustong bumawi. Bora shoots a 3-pointer. He misses that. Dasco with the rebound. Bora passes to Turingan. Almost a steal from Casanyas. But Turingan finally gets it to go. 25-19. Here comes Tubog. Iisa lang ang speed neto si Tubog. Passes it to Sapan here. The behind the back.
Iniisip ko lang naman yung mga hilig.
What a shot right there for Christian Retiros. Trimming the lead to 4, 25-21 with 5 ticks to go. Borja knocks down a 3-pointer right at the end of the first quarter. Extending the lead to 7 at 28-21 for OKC Thunders. Babalik kami with the rest of the action.
Hindi beneficiary mo ko lang. HM mo kasi nasa iyo. Kasi pagka sinama mo magulang, wala, hindi nga sila counting sa dun sa ibang agent. Hindi, dapat naman ang HM mo, di ba? Pare? Dapat ang HM mo, sa sarili ng gulang.
Hindi.
Hindi na.
Paanong sarili ba?
Hindi, walang beneficiaries, ganun.
Depende sa kumpanya. Pero most karamihan isa lang, ikaw lang talaga.
Oo. Pero pagka pwede mo isama yung magulang, yun yung minsan pangit. Kunyari, 300, yun idadagdag mo.
Oo. Pero pag may asawa ka na, asawa na talaga yun. Talaga ang first line. Nanay, pwede pa pag wala pang asawa. We're back to the ball game here. San Lorenzo back on the offensive. And there's a foul on Mariano.
Hindi na nag-oras. Orasan mo yan. Dapat yan mga...
Astalamor will get the possession. Kom, pag hindi na oras, pwede niya kaso exit din yan.
Oo, hindi yan pwede. Doon na rin naman magaling inbound na sa susunod na naman.
Talamor misses the first.
Kalahating araw namin ginawa.
Gets the second to go. It's a 3-point or 3 shots pala dito para kay Talamor sa free throw stripe.
Sabi na, 6 kaming gumagawa.
Talamor goes 1 out of 3. Missed opportunity right there. OKC Thunders on the run. The stop and pop misses that one. Rebound from Villanueva. It's a steal here by Dulce. Dulce will come closer. Passes it back but it's intercepted. Villanueva. Naku na kay Talamar.
Talomar ba? Hindi Talomar.
Talamar, sorry.
Talomar.
Wait lang. Talamor. Sorry, my bad. It's Talamor. He gets a back-to-back baskets. May kasama pang steal yon as Dulce passes it to Mortalia. He will shoot. Steph Curry range. Villanueva with the rebound.
Puro pasahan.
Tubog. Passes it down low. Intercepted by Dulce. Here comes Aldea. Will pull it back wisely. Passes it down to Aris Mortalia. To Sabinay. Gets the foul right there. Will troop to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. At sa ating scoreboard, it's 28-27 with 8 minutes and 37 ticks to go. Nakakalapit na ng tuluyan. Eto si San Lorenzo. But Sabinay has a chance to extend it back to a 3-point lead via these free throws. He knocks down the first.
Hindi, mag-only.
And there is a loose ball foul here called as there's a clear matchup down low. At ang ganda na possession pala, my bad, it was Mortalia with the foul right there. At Talamor once more getting the basket. Si Mortalia daw ilan? Dalawa. That's Mortalia's second personal foul. Ball possession. Babalik dito sa San Lorenzo as Tubog gets the possession here or gets the rock. Passes it down low. Pero Dulce intercepts it. They have 18 seconds on the shot clock to manufacture a basket. Tubog. Naghanap ng papasahan. Passes it. Villanueva. A little bit more patience sa kanilang ofensiba dito. Trying to find the guys in the defense. Villanueva trying to break it down. Pero Dulce once again with a steal. He's on the run. 3-on-1 break. Dulce all the way. Kapos lang. Ito babalik si Tubog. 3-on-2. Tubog. Passes it to Villanueva. The short range jump shot off the glass is good for Villanueva. They take the lead 31-29. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Sabinay breaking down the defense. The righty finish. Missing that. Sabinay will follow it up. Misses that. Tubog cuts it down. Ito na si Tubog. Nagmamadali. Imano kontra kay Dulce. Christopher Tubog finishes the basket. That prompts a timeout from OKC Thunders. 7:01 right here. 4-point lead. 33-29 for San Lorenzo. Running San Lorenzo dito sa Zeus Basketball League 40 of Division. Oldies but goodies, liga nga. At parang sina oldies. And babalik tayo dito sa possession ng OKC Thunders trying to get back the lead right here and stop the bleeding dito sa second quarter. Dulce passes it to Mariano for the mid-range jump shot sa elbow. And San Lorenzo back on the offensive. Talamor. Tumatagal ang bola dito kay Talamor but they swing it to Villanueva who passes it back to Talamor. The up fake, the one-hander. Talamor taking advantage in the gaps in the defense right here. Scoring big dito sa second quarter. But all alone down low is Mariano. He inched with that shot, they inch closer, 35-33 with 6:06 to go. 17 seconds to manufacture a basket for San Lorenzo. Tubog passes it to Talamor. Gets called for a travel. Aldea will get it across for OKC Thunders. Here comes Dulce, passes it back to Aldea, the midi, it's a miss, saved by Mortalia. Sabinay will try to create some space, missing that one, pero Tubog passes it to Talamora, who is all alone, cherry picking right there sa kanilang basket. He's done some really good damage here for San Lorenzo. Matambawi naman dito ni Harold Mariano, the bang in the bucket. He troops to the charity stripe for the bonus free throw. They're now waiting for the jumpers. The Guzman. We have Besagar, Borja, and DG. Plus Turingan will come in for Mariano once he hits that free throw or on the next dead ball. But Mariano completes the 3-point play opportunity right there. Turingan gets bumped for it. 37-36, 5 minutes and 4 seconds to go. Tubog gets it across for San Lorenzo. They try to break down the defense. Opens to Gedli. Did not shoot it. Sapan pulls the trigger. The Guzman with the rebound. Turingan will bring it down. Passes it to Borja. To DG. What a pass from Borja. Borja to DG. The reversal of roles right there for OKC Thunder. They get back the lead. 38-37. Ganiron pulls the trigger. Missing that. Tubog with the offensive rebound. Ball stays with OKC Thunder.
Kulang sila.
Passes it down low. But referees decide it's still San Lorenzo ball with 4 minutes and 7 seconds to go. Tubog will inbound. Passes it to Christian. Retiros. Grandor Pasanias. He doesn't notice the shot clock. Naputukan with a 24-second shot clock violation. Borja will get it across for OKC Thunders. Down low, Turingan, the elbow shot, misses that. Rebound for San Lorenzo. Sapan will bring it down for them. Passes it to Tubog. Tubog to Sapan, pulls the trigger from deep. Overcooks it. Besagar with the rebound. DG breaking the defense. The pass a little bit on the back netong si De Guzman. That's why there was a third over. At eto na si Tubog. Siyang magtitimon has been a positive reinforcement para dito sa San Lorenzo. But Sapan there runs out of real estate. At yun, babalik sa OKC Thunders ang bola. Borja passes it to DG, trying to find the gaps in the D. DG breaks down the defense and drafted an elbow jumper from Juan De Guzman. 40-37 with 2 minutes and 27 ticks to go sa ating first half. Tubog passes it. On the wing, overshoots it. Bora with a forward pass. DG on the run. Cannot catch it cleanly. DG passes it to Besagar, who drives the lane. The jump shot is good for Besagar. 42-37 na. It's a 6-0 lead. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Tubog, back to Casañas, wants to pull the trigger. He drives closer, spin move, nabitawan. De Guzman on the run. De Guzman, ikan pa, but he saves it to 1 DG. Prompting the timeout. It's an 8-0 run for OKC Thunder. Prompting the timeout for San Lorenzo.
Wala, hindi namin alam yun.
Di na record, Hakim. Pasensya na. Di namin nakita.
Grabe, coming from, Akin.
Hindi kasi siya yung receiver eh. And we are back to the ball here. 1 minute and 39 left dito sa ating first half. 44-11 in favor of OKC Thunders. They got an 8-0 run. How will San Lorenzo respond and how will they stop the bleeding? Eto na. Tubog passes it to Retiros, who drives closer. Retiros drops it to Tubog, to Shorty. Hakim with the rebound, passes it to Besagar.
Walang assist yun, ha?
But it's a turnover.
Talaga pag di sanay.
And Tubog will get it across for San Lorenzo. Passes it down low to Casañas. It's a steal for Besagar. Forward pass to DG. Ilista mo na for DG. This is now a 10-0 run para dito sa OKC Thunder. San Lorenzo being a little bit more patient, swinging it. Tubog inches closer, missing that one. But nakakuha at nabura doon sa eksena si Sapan at nakakuha siya ng loose ball foul doon. 46-37, 40 to manufacture a basket for San Lorenzo. To Sapan down low, he puts it back wisely. It's a steal by Turingan. Maracasers steal by Retiros. Christian, the drop. And a block up top by Turingan. Besagar forward passes it to De Guzman. Overshoots the layup. Luckily, De Guzman is right there for them. DG to Besagar, who finishes the fast break. That is 12-0. 8 seconds to go. Tubog, the stop and pop. Unable to make it drop. Besagar for one more. DG. It's a steal para kay Sapan. To end the second quarter, it's a 12-0 run for OKC Thunder. Lamang na sa 48-37. We'll be back for action. Tingnan natin kung makakabalik pa ang San Lorenzo.
Okay, parang ako dyan. Papanatan ko. Ayos.
OKC Thunders is outrunning and outgunning etong San Lorenzo. So they gotta make sure that they get back on defense para may stop ito. As Odasco will start things off para sa OKC Thunder. Down low they go. Mortalia with a reverse. That's 14-0 run para dito sa OKC Thunder. Ubog swings it. So wing shoots the three-pointer. Missing that Aldea with the rebound. Aldea passes it to the wrong guy. It's a 2-on-1. Tubog will finish the fast break.
Wala mo start pa lang, mawala kayo! Mawala mo kayo!
Odasco passes it to the cutting Mariano, or Sabinay rather. That's Sabinay. Will drive closer off the glass. Casañas with the rebound. Palomar passes it to Tubog. It's a 2-on-2 break. Tubog passes it back down low. There's a foul by Odasco.
Dalawa.
Wise foul from Odasco to stop the fast break right there for San Lorenzo. Villanueva gets the ball from the inbounds, dropping it. Casañas really bothered by Portalia. He goes up again. Mortalia stays his ground. He gets the board and will bring it down para sa OKC Thunder. The give and go. Sobra nga lang. Villanueva clears the rebound for San Lorenzo.
San Lorenzo, Amunga.
Talamor, stop and pop. Unable to make it drop. Mortalia with the rebound. 3-on-3 here. Mortalia passes to no one right there. Aldea did not cut. Kaya naman turnover para sa OKC Thunder. Babalik ngayon dito. Talamor pulls the trigger, misses that. And ball possession, OKC Thunder. Here they come. Sabina to Mortalia down low, creating space. Babalik yon. Odasco pull trigger, missing that. Rebound San Lorenzo. Casañas hinahabol ni Odasco. He's unable to get that, pero Casañas pa rin. And that prompts a timeout. 50-41 para sa OKC Thunder. Hakeem Borja right there, getting mad at his teammates. He wants them to put the nail on the coffin here at the third quarter. 50-41, 7 minutes and 29 seconds remaining.
Mariano to Kom. Mariano Basket. Rinig mo, Kom. Mamatay-matay.
And we are back right here. OKC Thunder with the possession. Balik sa kanilang offensiva. Sabinay. Aldea shoots the open shot. Misses that. Who's got the rebound? It's Aris Mortalia. But ang tapik down, tapik sa tuhod. And balik sa San Lorenzo ang possession. Talamor will bring it down. Gets it across for San Lorenzo. Talamor crosses, medyo tumatagal sa kanya ang bola. He drives the lane, down to Casañas, reversing. Ang ganda ng dukot ni Casañas. And a steal from Christian Tubog. He will drive to the lane, dropping it to Casañas. What a play! What a play for San Lorenzo. Dreaming a lead, 50-45, 6 minutes and 35 to go. Dulce, gusto bumawi, passes it to Aldea, down low Portalia. Odasco left open, pulls the trigger, punches it through.
Nakanan niya nasira ito pero sa laming ko.
Odasco stopping the bleeding right there, extending the lead back, 53-45, 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Here comes Villanueva to Casañas, swings it to the corner, Tubog, down low. Inaabangan na yun ni Mortalia. Yes, he's on the run right now, Mortalia, dropping it. Sobra, Mortalia though with the offensive board, doing the dirty work, he gets the basket. And the foul in the process, he'll trip to the charity stripe or the bonus free throw. Ay, ano ba yun?
Wala na pare. Isang tatay.
First up lang yun.
Isang tatay.
Eh, maliban ginawa ng sinigito kanina. Pero mali nga yung gitoan nila, diba? Hindi sila dumiin kanina, talaga nagpapawis na lang. Mortalia unable to complete the three-point play, and there's a loose ball foul for Sanobat Odasco. That is his third personal foul. Here comes Tubog. This is San Lorenzo's fountain of youth right here. Para steal once again, almost that is for Dulce. Casañas creating space. Gets the foul in the process as he groups to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. Talking about Casañas right here being the big man down the middle for San Lorenzo. Unable to get the first though.
Pinakayo pa naman ito. Hirap ako
Gets a second to go. Streams the lead to 9 points. Being the big man down the middle for San Lorenzo. Last misses that. Here comes San Lorenzo. They're on the run. Tubog starting it. Talamor pulls the trigger. Misses that. Offensive rebound. Doing the dirty work. Is Gia, but unable to make that. Mariano passes it back to DG. DJ rises up and gets the foul. DG troops to the charity stripe. 2 free throws for OKC Thunders. And substitution is Toringan comes in for Dulce right there. Shoot timeout daw pare. And the timeout right there, 56-46. Timeout dito ang San Lorenzo. Babalik kami with more action sa 3rd and 4th quarters ng Series Basketball League laban ng San Lorenzo at OKC Thunder.
Markado ng mga...
Parang inom na nung commissioner ko, parang gusto nang tapusin eh.
Magsasend ka agad sa akin ng sahod dyan. Taka na, 3 days mo kasi dyan eh. Paano yan eh? Aabangan ko na talaga yan.
Sana nga mag-send agad, no?
Ngayon pa lang sana. Aabangan ko na yan.
Ayan na, binuksan yung Gcash.
Taka na, mag-iinom yan. Kasi yung 3 araw na laro nyo, ako na eh.
And maraming salamat po dito sa aming Commissioner Seyus Nepomuceno. At kami nagagalak at kami iyong kinuha muli dito sa iyong liga. At ang maganda pa dito kay Com Seyus, nagbabayad agad, di pa tapos yung laro. At eto na, San Lorenzo on the run. Casañas kontra Toringan. He pulls it back wisely. Retiros with the ball. Tanto Casañas. Minamasahe si Mortalia. The hook shot. Blocked by Toringan. Mariano will bring it down for OKC Thunder. Down to Mortalia. Swing to DG. Misses it. Toringan though. Gets the offensive rebound but unable to get the basket. But OKC Thunder gets back the possession. Mariano the receiver. Passes it down low to Turingan. Agaw ni Casañas. They're on the run. Talamor, stop and pop. Talamor a little bit or becoming a little bit trigger happy right here dito sa third quarter. Proving to their demise. Turingan down low. Turn around. Missing that one. Guille with the possession. Here comes Casañas like a freight train. Casañas, this is not the follow-up. Is good. 56-48. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Besador.
Sa kanya.
No foul called. Turingan taps it outside.
Pero rito.
Ito, medyo nakalata na ng konti. Itong San Lorenzo at Sapan will go in.
500 dito.
At ito kasama si Gamiron. Papalitan nila si Talamor at etong si Tubog. Charteres Tubog
Dapat.
dito sa ating third quarter. Or, actually, Talamor stays in the game. Guille is the one going out. Talamor tries again. Di pa nakakabutas to. Good thing, etong si Ganiron is able to track down the rebound. Ang haba nito rin down. Gets the steal. Besador, ginugulo. Nakuha na San Lorenzo ang bola. Here comes Sapan. Decides to pull it back. Nakita si Turingan. Talamor. Driving the lane. Talamor missing that. Turingan stretches for that rebound. Passes it dito by De Guzman. There was a foul. Finally daw, sabi ng OKC Thunder. They have been asking for fouls for quite some time. And De Guzman will trip to the line for 2 free throws to extend their lead. First throw is good, to the delight of Hakeem Borja sa bench. And he splits his charities. Casañas has possession. Talamor on the run, stepping on the brakes. Talamor. He picks up the foul, and the referees will reward him. Oh no, the referees would not reward him with the free throws. Gaya ng nasa isip nila, it's a sideline and bounce, and Casañas will do the honors. Retiros. Will drive to the lane. Passes it back to Casañas. I don't know if you noticed, the shot clock is winding down. Sapan! All goods lang daw, sabi ng ating mga referees. Sapan gets a steal. It's a 4-on-2. Casañas. Stepping through, down low, Talamor! Gets the basket finally. And a technical foul. For Sapan, ang sabi ng ating referees, there's a tripping foul na tinawag. And it's only a technical foul ang tinawag. So, I believe that this is 1 free throw plus ball possession. Mariano sinks in the technical foul.
Technical lang dyan. Technical lang.
58-50, 2 minutes and 16 remaining. DG ang magtitimon para sa OKC Thunder. Mariano to De Guzman, in and out. Casañas with the rebound. Besador gets a steal. Passes it to DG. Bosses DG. Right. He finished all the way to the cup. Juan De Guzman finishes in style. Ito, naghahanap ng mapapasahan Talamor. Passes it to Guille. Down to Casañas. Kaso, di na nakayukudon as they turn the ball over back to the OKC Thunder. DG will get it across for OKC Thunder. Besagar wide open. Will he pull the trigger? He pulls it and makes it. Besagar knocks down the three-pointer, 63-50 with 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Unti-unti nang umaalagwa dito ang OKC Thunder, slowly trying to get their momentum as Villanueva trying to find the gaps in the defense. Cross-court pass, driving the fadeaway. It's blocked by Besagar. Forward pass to Devon. Finishes the layup. $65-50, 15 na ang kalamangan. Villanueva ginugulo. Guille with a floater against Turingan over the outstretched arms of Sid Turingan right there. Sid Turingan is 6 feet 4 inches, ladies and gentlemen. Besagar with the runner, overcooks it. 10 seconds remaining. I don't know if Guille knows it. Guille dribbling. Passes it to Casañas. Closers. The third quarter, 65-52. OKC Thunder getting their run in, getting a little bit of momentum. Pero titingnan natin if San Lorenzo still has anything left on their tank to come back dito sa Zeus Basketball League 40th Division. Babalik kami with more action.
Ari. Yung kartangahan mo kanina, hindi ka pa mapilaya. Bobo ka. Kasi supporter mo, ba't di mo sinuot? Ang ina mo. Lipat gago dito. Hindi, uncle ano? Baso daw dyan, masargod mo. Baso, sargod mo.
And we are back at sa ating fourth and final quarter. Tubog, Talomar, Retiros, Guille, and Ganiron. Talamor missing the first shot.
Dito?
Aldea will get it across.
Pag sumama sa akin, malapit sa akin.
Passes it to Dulce. Back to Aldea. The mid-range. Unable to get it. Guille with the board. Here comes Tubog on the run. 1-on-3. Threading the defense. What a good defense from Patrick Dulce. Parang inagawa ng candy doon si Tubog.
Pero ako gusto mo DJ Ina.
65-52, 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Here comes Talamor. He'll get it across for San Lorenzo. Passes it to Guille, down low. Guille stepping through. Gets the foul and it troops to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. Talking about Guille right here. 9 more minutes, 13-point lead. Let's see if San Lorenzo still has enough left in their tank to win this back or to get the lead back and win this game sa kanilang unang laban. But it's a lane violation called right here. 65-53, exactly 9 minutes remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Borja will get it across, passes it to Dulce. A little bit more patient on their offensive, but Borja has other plans to give and go. Hakeem Borja from Aris Mortalia. What a give and go for them. 67-53, 8 minutes and 40. Ganiron passes it to Tubog. On the left to Talamor, down to Tubog. Torretiro sa corner, misses it. And the substitution is one player right here. Sapan will come in for Talamor. And Casañas will come in for Graneron. San Lorenzo bringing back their heavy hitters right here. Casañas will try slot from 3. Misses it off the glass. Dulce here on the run. Dulce trying to take advantage. Misses that one. Casañas with the rebound. But Dulce steals it. Sabinay gets a lucky bounce to go.
Yun nga kanina, di ba magduro pa ako.
69-53, 16 na. Matamis na matamis sa 16. Ang kalamangan ng OKC Thunder. Tubog. Agaw na naman ni Dulce. He's on the run. 3-on-2. Dulce. The drop. Sabinay with the finish right there. What a defensive play. 18 na. Tubog nagmamadali. The drop. Down low. Retiros. Hindi pala. Yep. Christian Retiros with the finish right there. Off the pass from Tubog. 71-55. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Dulce. Try to map out the play right here for OKC Thunder. Open. Si Bora. Dribble pa. Bora. Misses that one. Aldea cracks down the rebound. Pero guguluhin netong San Lorenzo. Ito na disadvantage. Dulce with a dipsy. They keep possession here. 71-55. 6 minutes and 53 seconds. The pass down low, intercepted, but nakuha pa rin ni Dulce. Aldea with a shot clock winding down, misses it. Here comes Tubog on the run. Finishes the break. Finishes the break right here. 71-57 down to 14. Here comes Mora. The one-legged shot. Misses that. Retiros with the rebound. Casañas nakatalikod. Buti na lang. Dulce unable to get that. As San Lorenzo keeps possession 71-57 with 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Sapan. Siyang magtitimon for San Lorenzo. Dropping it down low to Guille. Kickball. And they have 14 more seconds. 14 more seconds to once more manufacture a shot. Casañas gets it off the back for Turingan. Wow! What a heady move for Casañas. Fooling Turingan in the process right there. And trimming the lead, 71-59. Turingan with a back pass to Bora. Almost a turnover right there. Ginugulo siya ni Sapan. And it's a turnover na nga. Bora clearly battered, a little bit lax here. Talking about Hakeem Borja. Here comes San Lorenzo. Tubod, seeing blood, passes it to Guille, creating space. But turns it over in the process. Balik ang possession dito sa OKC Thunder. 5 minutes and 44 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Aldea passes it to Mortalia. Cross court passes it to Dulce. Down low to Bora. But block by Casañas. But he gets his own miss. And the follow-up basket for Hakeem Borja. Sapan will bring it down. Sapan there with the turnover. A little bit of excitement pinapakita ni Sapan doon, seeing some daylight. Turnover, not really costly, lalo na 14 seconds, but Sapan completes the steal right there. And here comes Tubog. Tubog, this is that. Sapan clears the rebound. Charger daw. Retiros, down low. Passes it. But he misses. Guille. I don't know if they notice the shot clock. Winding down. Tubog knocks it down for 3 points. What a shot clock is winding down. 73. Triple tower right here for OKC Thunder. Talamor will come back. 73-62. DG comes back as well for Dulce. I like what Dulce is bringing to the table. But DG brings more of a point guard. And Toringan with the push shot on the short range. 75-62. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Tubog checking his options. Talamor sees some daylight. The flyby. Pulls the trigger anyway. Overshoots it. Mortalia with a forward pass to Bora. Finishes the lay-in. 77-62. 15-point lead. 3 minutes and 47. Casanyas will get it. Will come everybody down. Checking the options. Tubog will drive the lane. Drop to Casanyas. Sayang sa hesitation na yon from Casanyas. He gets called for a traveling violation. 77-62, 15-point lead, 3:35. Still mathematically possible, but they gotta start moving right now. Wasodasco, what a sidestep. Beautiful finish from Odasco right there. Extends the lead to 17, 79-62. 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Tubog down low to Casanyas. And a smart foul there by Sam Odasco. He wants Casanyas to earn the 2 free throws from the charity stripe.
Tanginan, side sa mata ng score eh. Dulce. Wala kang point si Dulce. Walang punto si Dulce, di ba?
Pero ang dami puro pasa, rebound.
Steal, dami.
Steal, yan ang madami. Casanyas gets the second free throw off the glass. DG passes it to Mortalia. Shoots a 3-pointer. He gets his own miss. Mortalia, the dipsy pass to Odasco. This is for Serios Nepomuceno. Sabi ni Aris Mortalia doon, I can pass as well. Dato Casanyas eating DG in the process. At that is the 7th assist of Aris Mortalia. Wow. Here comes Hakim Borja. 81-65, 16-point lead. Borja shoots it. Makes it! Hakim Borja. Solid daw siya sa party as they extend the lead 84-65 with 2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 19-point lead. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Aldea Besagar comes in. Here comes Tubog. Passes it. Pero gumalaw doon si Jerry Villanueva. A little bit of miscommunication from two parties right there. And Aldea will try to get it across for OKC Thunder. Here comes DG. Sidestepping his way through. Spreading the defense. One to respond. It comes out to the steal. And the stop and pop. Missing that. Tubog with the rebound. Here comes Sapan. Wants to manufacture his own points. Sapan driving the lane. Another miscommunication from Casanyas. As the referees calls that San Lorenzo will keep possession right here. Casanyas to Tubog. A pick. Down low to Casanyas. Misses that Casanyas. Follow up. Misses that as well. Aldea clears the rebound. He will get it across for OKC Thunder. Odasco Passes it to DG. And out of bounds. Ito si DG is not the tallest and not the fastest. Heart over height din yan, pero he has a high leaping or a high vertical leap. Nakita niyo naman when he goes up for the basket, di ba? He's got hops, pero basket there with the in and out. DG will dribble it down, will use some clock, passes it to Basagar with a turnaround. Rebound Tubog. 1 more minute to go. Sapan with a stop and pop. Misses that one. And I think that this is a done deal and a win for OKC Thunder. Avenging their loss last week dito. And they extend the league to 25 points here with 45 seconds remaining. Magkano, Kim? Okay, magkano, Kim?
Money down. Ito yung gano'n.
And OKC Thunder, DG will dribble it out. Kala ko lang pala, pero Aldea will shoot the jump shot. Missing that, Basagar. 20 more seconds, Aldea will try to put one in the basket. Pero he's missing that, Casanyas. Eto na, will dribble it out. And Naga. Paubaya na itong San Lorenzo as they come down with their first loss, 90-67. And OKC Thunder avenging their loss. Last time we're here dito sa Dagon Homes Basketball Court, it has been an exciting day for me at Arrow Sports PH. Kevin Obile, your man on the mic right here. Babalik kami bukas with more games and more action dito sa Zeus Basketball League. Oldies but goodies for the Up Division.
Come.